my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm very excited because we're going to talk about lipsticks. I'm going to talk about my top 5 favorite lipsticks of 2019. I have done my top 10 makeup products and top 10 skincare products of 2019. I'm going to leave a link to both of those videos below in the description box, so go ahead and check those out in case if you haven't. So I'm not gonna mention them in a particular order or something, so don't feel like, oh, this is the best and this is the least favorite. So I'm just gonna pick up any one that I like. So the first thing that I would like to talk about is this one from Wet n Wild. This is the liquid Catsuit matte lipstick. Now honestly, this is not a new launch, or this was not launched in 2019. If you're a matte lover, you're gonna love this so much. The wand has like a little bit of curve in a way, so it just sits perfectly when you apply it on your lips. And this shade particularly, I think this is very recognized. I don't even have to look at the shades, you know, when it comes to lipsticks. Yes, this is very recognized. First of all, this is very easy on the pocket. It's very affordable. It's not like a very expensive matte liquid lipstick. This is something that you can definitely try. The shade range is not that huge. There were, I think, 2 or 3 nude colors. There was a red, which was good, which is something like a dupe of MAC Ruby Woo or something. It's like a very typical red, but amazing color payoff. And again, why I love this lipstick is because it's so comfortable on the lips. I had started using this around fall time, and that's when my lips were getting very badly chapped and everything, but this did not highlight any of my cracked or dried lips. So that's something which is amazing when you're using a liquid lipstick in winter. This shade is just mind-blowing. It's like a very pretty rose color, like a deep toned rose color. And again, like the name itself suggests, it's like berry recognized. It's a very nice berry color. But I think I like this lipstick also because of the formula more than for the color. Now the next lipstick that I have is this one from Bourjois Paris. Again, this is the Rouge Velvet, the lipstick. They also have the Rouge Velvet in the liquid ones, which was not really my favorite. And this is in the shade 03 Hip Pink Chick, if I'm not wrong. You see, I'm so good with my lipstick names. Now, there's so many things to talk about when it comes to this lipstick. First of all, the packaging. I mean, you remember your lipstick by the cap itself. You can figure out which shade that is, and again at the bottom you can see the color. And this one, like the shape, the stick itself is so beautiful. It's like a bit triangular shaped, and this is so perfect when it comes to just filling your lips in. There's no lip liner required. This is like so easy to apply. And this shade, I think there were some videos where I was wearing this shade and you guys were like, which shade is that? And it is this one. I'm not really a nude lipstick lover, but this one was just so amazing. I think this is again a very matte formula, but something that you can use without any lip balm underneath. It just becomes like a powder soft matte at the same time, not drying at all. So that's something again. And again, this is a bullet lipstick, but the staying power is amazing. And I think that's something with all of these lipsticks, as much as I can see. Yes, with all of these, the staying power is amazing. And because these are bright shades or dark shades, and I am a bright or a red lipstick lover in a way, so I make sure that the staying power is good, because I don't like to embarrass myself with some lipstick going off my lips. So this is again something which is going to stay for a long time, very comfortable and just so beautiful. The only drawback it just came to my head is the smell. You might probably not like the smell. It's like little plasticky sort of smell. So it's like a little plasticky, little rubbery kind of thing, but it just fades away over time, so it's not going to bother your nose throughout the day. Now the next lipstick that I want to talk about is this one from Loreal. Now this is not the shade. I have given away all of these lipsticks that I had, and I'm just left with this one, which again I am going to give it to a good friend of mine. So this is in the shade I Represent, but I'm not talking about the shade here. I'm going to talk about the formula. This shade again was something which I have loved. It's like a very red with pink undertones kind of a color, which is very rare. So it looks like a bit of fuchsia, but when I put it on, it looks like this very beautiful bright red color with the perfect amount of pink undertones. And the other one which I liked was I Don't, and also I'm Worth It. I'm Worth It was a very classical red color, and I Don't was a bit more fiery red color. So I have done a dedicated video with this one, the entire line of Rouge Signature, so go ahead and check that out, and the link will be in the description box below. Now what I really want to highlight about this lipstick is, first of all, the packaging. It's very sleek, it looks like a pen. You get the perfect amount of product, and the product is so watery. It feels like you're just applying water on your lips, and again, you're not going to have any problem with the staying power because this is like a lip ink for me. So it just stays put, it doesn't move, it leaves a beautiful tint behind in case, you know, it wears off, and at the same time it's not going to highlight your dried or chapped lips. And again, this was something that I loved during winter. The color payoff is amazing considering the fact that the consistency is like water, so that's again something which is like such a beautiful aspect about this lipstick. Now the next lipstick that I have is from Fenty Beauty. So this is from Fenty Beauty. This is the Mademoiselle matte lipstick. This is in the shade Flamingo Acid. Love this shade. Not really a drugstore brand, but I thought I will also include something which is high-end. The color payoff of this lipstick is like, I cannot describe that in words. This is one swipe and this is what it looks like. It is so beautiful. It's again like this berry color, but it's so vibrant. This is going to transfer for a while, but then I just like to dab a tissue paper and I'm good to go. This again doesn't highlight my dried or chapped lips. I do not have to be bothered about using a lip balm underneath the lipstick. When I'm using this one, it's just amazing. I like the packaging. It's very sleek, it's very lightweight, and this is just gonna fit in your purse without taking too much of space. And yeah, I just think this is a very nice lipstick if you want to invest in something which is high-end, but then it should be worth your money. Then you should go for this one. And also again, if you're a matte lipstick lover, I wouldn't say this is like a very dry matte, the kind of formula that I like, but yes, if I just dab it with a tissue paper, not even any loose powder, just some tissue paper, and I'm good to go. And again, this stays on for a very long time until you take it off with a makeup remover. The final lipstick that I want to talk about is something that I don't see a lot of people talking about. That's the Ardere London liquid lipstick. This is actually like very indie brand. This is from a blogger who started her lipstick line or her cosmetic line. She's in London, and I just feel that, you know, we talk about all of these mainstream brands and nobody talks about this. Now the reason why I am talking about this lipstick, particularly this shade, now let's be specific, this is Classic Red. This is the soft matte lipstick. The reason why I'm talking about this one in my favorites is because every time I have worn this shade, people have asked me what I am wearing. So this is one of those reds which I cannot replace no matter what. This is a very fiery classic red color, and of course the name itself is Classic Red, but it is so difficult to find a red which has this amount of payoff and at the same time so comfortable. So this is going to settle to fine matte. In fact, today what I'm wearing is a mixture between the Fenty Beauty lipstick and this one, the Classic Red, because I started with Fenty Beauty one and then I was like, no, I want to wear red. So I just put that on, and it just, like, there's no transfer whatsoever. It's just gonna stay there. It looks a little bit dark on my lips now because it has underlying different color, so don't get carried away with that one. But this is the kind of red that everybody's gonna ask you. It's one of those, it just makes you feel look so bright and just so vibrant. And again, I think just this lipstick alone and like very minimal makeup, I've also just used this and walked out without even like a foundation or something, because I honestly don't use foundation or tinted moisturizers or BB creams or concealers every day, but I would still wear this to work, and it just gives me that extra dose of confidence, and I feel that I can rule the world. So the good thing again about this lipstick is the staying power, and again I've done a dedicated video about all the lipsticks, well not all, but I think 4 lipsticks from Ardere Cosmetics, so I'm going to leave a link to that again in the description box below. Now this is going to settle to fine matte and it's not going to transfer whatsoever, but it just looks so beautiful. Like, this red is something that I don't think I can live without. And also a lot of friends who've been asking me, I remember being in this Christmas party and everybody was like, which red is that? And I just feel so sorry that I cannot give you this lipstick because it's like so close to my heart. Otherwise, I'm not a person who likes to possess or, you know, like say that, oh my god, that's my makeup and I'm not gonna share it. Like, if you know me, if you're my friend, you're getting so much like makeup, I just give it away because honestly, what am I gonna do with so much of products? But yeah, that was about the Ardere London lipstick. I really like this brand. Like, go ahead and try this. They run sales every now and then, so you'll get it. Like, it's super affordable for that color payoff and that formula and that everything. I just love that red. Like, this is my favorite red, let's be honest. So that's why I had to include this in my list of top 5 lipsticks of 2019. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it useful. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon so that you're notified every time I come out with a new video. I'm sending you lots of love and I'm gonna see you all soon with a new video. Bye!